So right when you walk in, this is what you see. You do see my dresser. I did get this. Oh, I did get this off of Facebook Marketplace. I'll post a picture right here of what it looked like before. But yeah, this one of the drawers is a little wonky, but it honestly didn't bother me for the price. And then these knobs, I did get them off of Amazon. They're just so cute, so girly. I'll link them down below for you guys. And then on top of my dresser, we do have a picture of me and Jonathan when we went on our cruise. And then these lights, guys, I did get them from Dollar Tree last year, like around Christmas. Ever since then, I haven't been able to find them. But since the holidays are coming up, just keep a lookout for them. But yeah, these are from Dollar Tree. This is a crystal that Jonathan gave me. It does light up, but I don't have it lit up because I do have my yellow LED lights, and I just think it's like too much, you know what I mean? And then we just have my water bottle, boring, keys to match the aesthetic, and then these cute flowers that Jonathan gave me for National Girlfriend Day. They're just so pretty. And then I do have a candle burning. It's from Walmart, again, yellow vibes. And then me with my hand Cheetos in the back. Yeah, that little stand. And then for this wall, guys, it's very plain, I know. I just don't know what to add right now. But this is just a calendar that Jonathan made me. I think it was a couple months back. But how cute. This was last year in August when we went to our cruise. And happy August, guys. I hope August brings amazing things to y'all. And then I guess we'll go this way. I have my bag hanging, and then guys, this curtain, yeah, I read the box wrong. I thought it came with two, but it only came with one. I went back to Walmart last week and they didn't have it, and then right now I just went to Walmart and they still didn't have it, so I only have one. But this is what it looks like. It has like some sparkle to it, and hopefully y'all could see it, but yeah, just gray. And then guys, this rod, is it a rod, right? This curtain rod, look at that, how stinking cute. I got the rod from Burlington and then the curtains from Walmart. But yeah, this is what that looks like. Honestly, I don't know. I feel like I'll just leave it like this. I do want the second one, but it's a hassle finding the second one apparently. And then this other corner, again, this dresser, I did get it from Facebook Marketplace. It does have some scratches. I know y'all could see it. But honestly, again, it didn't really bother me for the price. And I told my dad not to worry about repainting it because it honestly didn't bother me. Like, it's whatever. And then we do have the same knobs from Amazon. And then up here we do have this cute bear that Jonathan got me for our 1-year anniversary. It's just, sentimental value. I couldn't just put it in the closet. And yes, these are the same freaking flowers. Again, I just couldn't throw them away. Yeah, just here. And then this is my quinceañera crown. Again, I couldn't just put it in a box. I had to post it up there. So yes. And then again, with the twinkle lights, these are from Dollar Tree. Again, I haven't been able to find these lights in Dollar Tree ever since last year, like around Christmas is when we found these. So yeah, hopefully they restock this year. And then again, a picture of me and my sister. And then I do have the Bible in the back as a little stand. But yeah, a picture of me and my sister. These frames are from Dollar Tree again, and they just stand like that. I got the wrong size, but it is what it is. And then Jonathan did print this picture. Well, he didn't, but the girl that did our my chocolate arrangement print this picture out for us. So I need to get a frame for this. And then I do have this little vase filled with yellow scrunchies, the vibe. I've had this vase, oh shit, sorry. I've had this vase forever. It is from Dollar Tree, and I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put my scrunchies in there. So yeah, they chillin'. Let me put this picture back up there. And then picture me and my parents, yellow, 15, had to freaking, frame it, because I don't know why I never framed this picture, but when I was cleaning my room, I found this and I was like, dude, I have to freaking frame this, but how cute are we? And then in the back, I just have my phone stand that I rarely use now. And then over here, I just have a vase of flowers. This is all from Dollar Tree. So originally, I did have these long flowers here and then these little flowers. You see how they're just like one thing? I did have these little flowers in that vase, but since Jonathan got me those flowers, I took the fake ones out and put real ones in, and I just put these all together over here. I really don't think it looks bad, but yeah, all of that is from Dollar Tree. So if you want some fake flowers and some cute vases, just hit up Dollar Tree for that. But this is this little section. And then guys, I do want to put something right here. I just don't know what, honestly. Like, what should I put? Let me know, because my walls are very plain. Okay guys, here is my bed. This is the bed that I was talking about in my last video. I got a really good deal on this bed. I will post right here what it's called, because I always forget. But yeah, I'll post it right here on what this type of bed is called. But I really got a good deal on this bed. This is what the side looks like. These type of beds, they can get really expensive. They could start from like 400 to 800 is the most expensive I saw. I honestly don't know why, but this is a twin size. They do have a twin and a full size in these type of beds. But yeah, like I said, I got a really good deal on this bed, and I found it on Facebook Marketplace. And this is the type of bed that I wanted for my nephew and I. My nephew is forever in my room. I don't know why. I think it's just his safe place, honestly. Like, my room is just a vibe to him. I don't know. Like, we vibe. We're like best friends. So he's always with me and he's always in my room. So, he's getting older and he sleeps crazy. So I was like, dude, you need your own bed. So this is what I got for us. Super cute. I really love this bed. It's super unique. Yeah, so the bedding is from, just the sheets and the pillows are from Walmart. This blanket, guys, I've had this blanket forever now. I got it at HEB. It is the best blanket ever. It's so soft. It's so comfy. I'm happy that it's held up for the longest time ever that I've had it now. I haven't found a yellow blanket that I love and that just, draws my attention like this one. I love this blanket so much. So yeah, so everything else is from Walmart, including my pillow. How cute is that pillow? I love it so much. That's my nephew's, and then I do have a random clock there, and then we do have this portrait that I've had since I was little of, my guardian angel watching over me and my nephew while we sleep. So yeah. And then we have this wall. Very, like I said, plain Jane. So we just have a trash can from Five and Below, my fan, this little vanity set that I have over here. So guys, this table, my dad did DIY it. We had this table, not the top, just the table, in our backyard for the longest time. I don't know where my dad found it, but yeah, we just had it for a long time. I told him to paint it white, fix it up, and I'm gonna turn it into a vanity, and that's just what he did for me. This glass top, guys, I don't know where it's from, but he did get it from somewhere, and he just plopped it on there. So yeah, that is that, my little makeup section, whatever. And then we do have my 2 shelves up here, and that's pretty much it. We're almost done. So yeah, these shelves, I've had them forever. I wish I knew where they were from. I honestly don't know. I've had them forever. Just plain white shelves. We do have my Snickerdoodles candle from Bath and Body Works. Again, yellow vibes. The same lights that I had in my other dresser. This picture of me and Jonathan when he asked me to be his girlfriend on Valentine's Day. How cute. Again, the frame is from Dollar Tree. And then Polaroid camera. I did get that from the flea market. Good deal. Good deal. So yeah, that's that. And then we have my other shelf. Oh my god, the light is not on. Okay, give me a second. Oh my god, you can't even see it, but I do have a light in there. When you turn it off, you could see it. But yeah, this light, I don't know if y'all remember or if y'all saw my Dollar Tree haul. I did get that from Dollar Tree. They don't have anymore. I think it was just for like a summer collection or whatever, but that is from Dollar Tree. A picture of my nephew, again, same frame from Dollar Tree. And then the stock monkey. Guys, so the story with the stock monkey, I know it's so random. I don't know if my nephew found it or I found it. I honestly don't remember the story, but I've always wanted a stock monkey. I just been obsessed with them. Like, they're just so cute. And when we got this, I was just like, oh my god, I need to hang this on my wall. I'm keeping it. And now he's there, he's chilling. Throughout Christmas, I'm gonna switch him out for the elf on the shelf. I'm obsessed with the elf on the shelf. I've never had one, so now that I have a perfect home for him, I'm gonna put him on there when Christmas comes around. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my room, guys. Plain Jane. I do want to put some things on my walls. Obviously, they look pretty plain, but yeah. And then, guys, the second part of the video is from another day, but I hope y'all enjoyed this room tour, and I'll see y'all later. Yeah, hi friends. So I just want to show my face on this video I want to show my face in this video just for you guys. Yeah, guys, so my floor, it's called vinyl, and it's really simple and easy to install. If you saw my first video, then you would kind of see it's just like glue, and you just like plop it on there. So I personally think it's like the cheapest floor out there. I got it for a really good price, and my dad and boyfriend did install it for me, but honestly, I think you could honestly do it yourself. I was just very grateful that my boyfriend and dad were able to help me with it. But yeah, again, it's called vinyl flooring. I did get in like in a darker gray color, just because, you know, my vibes, my aesthetic, I couldn't choose an aesthetic to change. Sorry, I couldn't choose an aesthetic to freaking save my life, guys. So as you can see of my room, like, I really wanted gray, white, yellow, girly, very simple, clean aesthetic. Like, that is me. And I couldn't really choose, you know. I just kind of like whatever I pictured in my head, I pictured it, I went out and bought it, and I just kind of threw it all in my room, and it kind of all worked out together. I do want to add some more pieces to my room, but again, like, I can't pick an aesthetic to change my life, so it's just really hard right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the floor again. Yeah, guys, this is my floor. Again, a little random video, but again, it's called vinyl flooring. I'm pretty sure you could find it. I mean, you can find it anywhere. If you live in San Antonio, I recommend you get it from MG building. I don't know what it's called exactly. I'll leave it right here on the screen, but Jonathan told me that was like one of the good prices that he found on the floor. So if you live in San Antonio, go ahead and hit up that store. But yeah, this is my floor, a little gray, darker gray moment. And then I'm I'm gonna go ahead and show you my little station right here. I have my mirror and then this other mirror right here. This box, ignore it. I just needed something to like lift up my mirror. But fun fact, that box is Jonathan I's memory box. So yeah. This is me again. But yeah guys, that is it for my room tour. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Again, I do want to add some more pieces to my room, but it's just, you know, I really don't know what to add, but I'll figure out, and of course I'm gonna show you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. What do you think I should add to my room? Because I'm open to suggestions. So yeah guys, I will see you in my next video.